What are you most looking forward to tonight at the Flix Filmfare OTT Awards?
The fact that we have a platform that's finally celebrating some great content and spectacular performances that I think otherwise have been hidden. But I think this year, due to the circumstances, people have gotten the opportunity to see what amazing pool of talent we have in India.
The OTT has managed to give us some really fab actors, and I think the greatest thing is that in this pandemic, it's only the OTT that has managed to keep us entertained.
Now, this partnership between Flix and Filmfare to create the inaugural Flix Filmfare OTT Awards, how did it come about?
See, Flix all stands for like getting the great content out there to the people. So that like it's all started with my own personal frustration, like what should I watch? And because I was a cord cutter, Filmfare stands for like excellence in cinema. We stand for democratizing and getting the content out there, and that was like a match made in heaven, I would say. And here we are.
Tell us more about your decision to partner with the Flix, Filmfare OTT Awards, and how that whole agreement and that partnership came together.
Actually, if you see, OTT is a new platform, and Bosch is also the future. And so is OTT. And OTT has given chance to so many new youngsters and so many new series. The entire perspective has been changed. And similar is the condition with the Bosch. So our appliances are for the future. So that's why we thought of partnering with this wonderful program.
Sir, tell us more about the decision for Tata Pravesh to partner with Flix Filmfare OTT Awards, the inaugural version especially.
Tata Pravesh is very proud to be a part of the Filmfare OTT Awards because a lot resonates between our offering of a one-stop solution for wood-finished doors and windows that have the strength of steel and the elegance of wood, and the multifaceted stars who are here in the OTT Awards today. In their own ways, both of them were very strong performers, stylish and deliver results. So we are very happy to be a part of this.
Kudos to Filmfare and Flix for coming up with the OTT award. So finally there's a recognition for not only the actors, the people behind whoever are part of the OTT family.
अगर यही डेमोक्रेटिक वे अगर थिएटर स्क्रीनिंग के दौरान रहे तो बहुत टैलेंट निकल के आएगा.
That this industry will only become healthy or democratic if we really focus on talent and originality and nothing else.
All the writers, directors who thought that they're out of work suddenly are very busy. All the actors who were out of work suddenly have become very busy, and there's so much talent around, right?
I wish everybody all the love and luck, and may the best man and best woman win.
Flix is a social networking platform where you get to make a profile and make recommendations of shows and movies that you like, and then all your fans and followers get to follow it. We're quickly scrolling. We don't know what to watch. Do you go through that?
I do. There are times when I actually go through that, when I really want to watch something, but I'm confused what to watch, and then you waste almost 10-15 minutes just scrolling what exactly to watch. So I'm glad Flix is there to help us out with that. Yeah.
Which are the shows that you're watching right now? Shows or movies?
Nowadays, my daughter keeps watching all those 7+ shows. Sometimes I just sit there when I'm there at home.
बंदिश बैंडिट देखा, स्कैम देखा, काफ़ी सारे शोज आसुर देखा. तो इस साल के जितने भी हमारे आए पाताल लोक देखा.
So I loved, there are a few series which I've loved, which is Panchayat and Patal Lok, Family Man. These were all
Everybody who walked this red carpet has said Patal Lok till now, and Joydeep is right here. He's rocked it.
Yes, I guess he's one of the best performances of the year.
We're standing next to this gorgeous Skoda car. Tell me, are you someone who enjoys road trips in general?
I do love road trips, but I also get a little car sick. So it depends. If I'm sitting in the front seat, I'm okay. If I'm sitting not in the front seat, I'm a little... But otherwise, I love road trips. I just love traveling. So anything that involves travel, I love.
I want to go to Croatia and then, just drive this beautiful ocean view that they have. But I don't know when and how it's going to be possible. But that is something that I'm really counting on. So Croatia, a beautiful drive is a must.
I think the best place in the world for a road trip is Leh Ladakh. Nothing beats that. Laul, Spiti, any day.
My favorite road trip was to, there's this place in Uttarakhand called Dhanolti. I'd gone there with my school friends and it was just wonderful. It was snowing and we could actually see the snowflakes. We in fact stepped out and played in the snow. So yeah, that is, and it was my birthday. So yeah, I think I still cherish those memories, and it's just beautiful.
Welcome everybody to the Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. We are here today to celebrate those phenomenal creators who wait not for the release date, but for the upload date. We are your hosts for this evening. My name is Varun Thakur.
And I am Danish Seth, and it's great to see you all at the first ever Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. Round of applause, please, everybody.
That being said, let's kickstart the Flix Filmfare OTT Awards.
All right, round of applause. Let's start.
Before we begin with the awards, we would like to thank our esteemed partners without whom this show would not have been possible. Our title sponsor, Flix. Stop searching, start watching.
Co-powered by Tata Pravesh, Steel Doors and Windows, along with Bosch Home Appliances.
Driven by Skoda and associate sponsor, LIC.
Partner Sugarbox. Happiness partner, 98.3 Mirchi.
Now, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank our esteemed jury, Amar Kaushik, Anirudh Rai Chaudhary, Meghna Gulzar, Onir, Renzel De Silva, Amit Sharma, Om Raut, Shobhu Yarlagadda, Saket Chaudhary, Dinesh Vijan, Chandan Arora, Alankrita Srivastav, Niranjan Iyengar, and Guneet Monga.
We could have made 3 seasons of just these names. That's a script right there. Let's begin the awards. The first one, ladies and gentlemen, is for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Web Original Film, Female.
Now, to give away this award, we'd like to invite on stage writer and producer Niranjan Iyengar.
So the best actor in a supporting role in a web original film female goes to Seema Pava for Chintu Ka Birthday.
Next up is the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Comedy Series, Male. To give away this award, we would like to invite on stage Amruta Khanvilkar, please.
The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Comedy Series, Male, goes to Raghubir Yadav Panchayat.
All right, our next award is for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Comedy Series, Female. And to give away this award, may I please invite Zareen Khan up on stage. Welcome.
The Flix Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Comedy Series, Female, goes to my favorite, Neena Gupta ji.
Our next award is for Best Film, Web Original.
And to give away this award, we would like to invite Nora Fatehi up on stage.
The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Film Web Original goes to Raat Akeli Hai.
Next up is the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Drama Series, Female. And the nominees are...
This award, we would like to invite Mr. Ramesh Taurani.
The Flix Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Actor in Supporting Role in Drama Series, Female, goes to Divya Datta, Special Ops. Congratulations, Divya.
Next up is the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Drama Series, Male. And the nominees are...
Award, we would like to invite Mr. Shashank Singh, co-founder and CEO Flix and Alaya. Let's welcome them with a round of applause, please.
The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Drama Series, Male, goes to
Amit Saad.
Yeah.
All right, next up is the award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role in a Web Original Film, Male. And the nominees are...
ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on stage full-time wealth manager, part-time great actor, Prateek Gandhi.
Best actor in supporting role in web original film male goes to one of my favorites, Rahul Bose.
The next award is Best Actress in a Comedy Series, Critics.
The Flix Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Actress in Comedy Series Critics goes to Sumukhi Suresh.
The next award is for Best Director of a Series, Critics.
And to give this award away, we'd like to invite on stage Prateek Babbar.
The Flix Filmfare Award 2020 for Best Director Critics goes to Krishna DK and Raj Nidhimoru, The Family Man.
All right, the next award is for Best Series Critics.
And to give away this award, we would like to invite on stage Shriya Pilgaonkar and Mr. Chandar Kumar Das, Regional Business Head, West, Tata Pravesh.
Good evening, everyone. The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Series Critic goes to The Family Man.
All right, the next award is for Best Actor in a Web Original Film, Female. And the nominees are...
Give away this award, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Kabir Bedi.
The Filmfare Award 2020 for the Best Actor in a Web Original Film, Female, goes to Tripti Dimre.
Next up is the award for Best Actor in a Web Original Film, Male. And the nominees are...
Good actors there. Who's going to win this one? To tell us about it, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar.
The Flex Filmfare Award 2020 Best Actor in Web Original Male goes to Nawazuddin Siddiqui Raat Akeli Hai.
And now we'd like to invite on stage to join Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, Mr. Neeraj Behel, MD and CEO Bosch Home Appliances, to join us on stage to give out the next award.
Next up is the award for Best Actress in a Drama Series, Critics.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So the Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Actress in a Drama Series, Critics goes to Priyamani, The Family Man.
All right, next up is the award for Best Actor in a Drama Series, Critics.
And to give out these awards, may I please request Mr. Shashank Singh, co-founder and CEO of Flix, and Mr. Hansal Mehta to please join us on stage.
I'm glad he's getting this award. the Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Actor in a Drama Series Critics goes to Manoj Bajpayee for The Family Man.
Next up is the award for Best Actor in a Drama Series Female, and the nominees are...
The Flix Filmfare Awards OTT Best Actor in a Drama Series Female goes to Sushmita Sen for Arya.
Our next award is for Best Actor in a Drama Series Male, and the nominees are...
Okay, now to hand this award out, may I please request Mr. Deepak Lamba, CEO Worldwide Media, and Mr. Rajkumar Rao to please join us on stage. Welcome, gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for taking the time out to be with all of us here today. Before Rajkumar gives out the award, just wanted to take 1 minute to, just let you know a little bit about. We wanted to do this OTT Awards last year as well, but for a set of circumstances beyond our control, we couldn't bring it to life last year. We're delighted that we could do so this year. Filmfare's responsibility, I think, has always been to try and honor the very best of talent, both in front and behind the camera. And we are all aware of how the proliferation of the OTT industry has sort of been skyrocketed. In fact, India is the fastest growing OTT market in the world by some way. I can also say that, just the sheer process when we started, inviting the nominations and going through the process, the sheer depth of talent across all platforms. We've been doing awards for a very long time across Hindi, South India, Bengali, Punjabi, Marathi cinema, but this has been extremely challenging just because of the sheer volume and depth of talent that we've seen across platforms. And that's what makes this especially rewarding and joyful for all of us. Last but not the least, we all know it's been a very tough year, so I wanted to take this occasion to thank my incredible team at Filmfare, Jitesh and his team on the editorial side, Priyadarshi, PD, and the marketing guys, Vidyut, and all of the team who've worked so hard to finally put a physical event like this together. Well done, guys.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Actor in a Drama Series Male goes to... It's such a proud moment for me, to give this to my brother, to my classmate of FTII, my film school, Jaideep Ahlawat, Patal Lok.
Next up is the award for the Best Director of the series, and the nominees are...
All right, and to hand out this award, may I please request Moni Roy and Onir to please join us on stage.
The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for the Best Director Series goes to Avinash, Arun and Proshit Roy. Patal Lok.
Congratulations, guys. Well deserved. Thank you, Moni. Thank you, Onir. Now it's time for the best series ever. And the nominees are...
To give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Sai Manjrekar and Jennifer Wingett.
The Flix Filmfare Awards 2020 for Best Series goes to Patal Lok.
Give it up for Patal Lok once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And before we sign off, we would like to thank our esteemed partners without whom this show would not have been possible. Our title sponsor, Flix, stop searching, start watching.
Co-powered by Tata Pravesh, steel doors and windows along with Bosch home appliances.
Driven by Skoda and associate sponsor, LIC.
Partner Sugarbox, happiness partner 98.3 Mirchi. And with that, we come to the end of tonight's show. We hope the vaccine makes its way to the country soon, and so do our friends from Maldives. I've been your host, Danish Seth.
My name is Varun Thakur. Stay safe, take care, good night, and goodbye.